thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Katie if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial showing you exactly how to achieve this half up half down look using the insert name here Courtney extension set. And I do have a discount code with insert name here if you like this hair look, or if you just want to browse any of their hair pieces over on their website, which I have tons of them because I genuinely love them. So that's why you always kind of see me making hair tutorials with their extensions, because I'm always wearing them. So I'll leave the discount code on the screen here as well as in the description box below, and the link for this exact extension set if you're interested. So if you want to achieve this half up half down look for yourself, which I feel like I have not worn in such a long time, I kind of forgot about this hairstyle, then let's get into it. Okay, we are starting from scratch here. As you can tell, I just blew dry my hair. I haven't styled it or anything, so it's just looking a little crazy, but we're about to do a 180 here and make it look phenomenally better. So I'm going to be going in with the Courtney extension set. I love the packaging too because it's very nice for storing the hair. And I've actually already worn this baby quite a few times, so if you've seen any of the other videos where my hair is a little bit longer and just looks overall much nicer, it's because I've been wearing this extension set. Not the ponytail itself, but just the bottom part of the half up half down kind of look. And it also helps if you keep it rolled up more like this in the packaging. It kind of keeps those swooped ends staying in like the right direction, like a good curl. And I got this set in the shade Champagne Blonde, but I believe they have 14 different shades, so you're bound to find one that'll work for your hair. So this is the bottom half of the Courtney extension set. It just comes with 3 different wefts. You have a smaller 3 weft, another 3 weft, but this one's a little bit wider. And for the last piece, you have a larger 4 weft. So as you can tell, it has that really nice swooped look at the ends. I mean, this is just gorgeous, and I love this color too. So these are the wefts that I'm going to be applying first on my head for the half up half down look. So taking a little clip, I'm going to section off my hair for the first extension weft, and I just like to leave a little bit of hair for it to cling onto at the base of my neck. And then I will clip the rest of the hair out of the way. So it doesn't have to be perfect or anything, just as long as you have something for that hair to sit on right here. So because it is smaller at the bottom of my head here, that is why I'm going in with the smallest extension. Then I'm going to be sectioning off my hair again, about at the halfway mark. And then I will clip that up. So that is where I'm going to be placing the wider 3 weft. And then leaving my hair still clipped up, I'm going in with the widest 4 weft. So this is just with the weft part of the Courtney extension set placed in my hair, and I love how this looks. Like I said, if you've been watching any of my videos recently, this is the hair that I've been wearing just without the half up pony look. I think these look so good for just wearing your hair all down because it's that really nice and natural swooped look. And I believe these extensions are only 16 inches. So it gives off, you know, more of that natural vibe versus if it's 18, 20, or 22 inches. But don't get me wrong, I still love some good length. But keeping it more this length and a little bit more volumized just appears more natural in my opinion, and what I find myself wanting to wear the most. And because I haven't styled my real hair yet, I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron. If you know, you know this curling iron is the best curling iron to ever exist. I love this thing. And I'm going to go ahead and put some really loose curls through my hair just to blend it into the extensions a little bit better. So that is one side curled really loosely, and then this is the unstyled side. As you can tell, it just adds a little bit more freshness and just kind of flows more nicely with the extension set down here. Okay, you can definitely leave the hair like this. It gives me that effortless blowout look, which is really kind of trending right now, and for good reason. I just think it looks so effortless and natural. So next, if you want to achieve the half up, half down vibe, I'm going to be using this pony that comes in the Kourtney extension set. As you can tell, this also has really nice bouncy loose swooped ends, so beautiful. And I also like that this pony is a lot lighter because you're only doing the half up look, but you can also use it for a full pony as well because, like I said, it is lighter, so it's going to be much more comfortable sitting on your head. And for this part, you're going to need a nice thick ponytail, some bobby pins, and a brush, a normal brush. And if you want it to be a little bit more slick, then a fine bristle brush like this. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair back, and you don't really need to worry about any extensions showing because once we put the pony on, you're really not even going to see them underneath. So if you went up a little bit too high, you really don't even need to worry about it. So I'm just going to get my hair sectioned up in the ponytail where I like it best. So if you want to slick it back a little more, just use your fine bristle brush to smooth out some of the bumps. Also, I haven't colored my hair in such a long time because I'm trying to get it to grow, and it's like throwing me off how dark my hair is on the top and then really blonde at the bottom, but I kind of am into it. But also it's like, should I get some color in my hair? But I'm like trying to get it to grow. I don't know, I'm conflicted. So I'm gonna take my thicker ponytail and place that just more on the top of my head here. Just so when we put the pony extension in, it's not pulling down my ponytail too much. So once you get the ponytail positioned where you want it on your head, you can go ahead and apply your ponytail extension. So I'm going to be taking this clip and putting it at the base of my ponytail. So once I have that positioned right in the middle, I'm going to take this behind the ponytail because it has the Velcro around it. And then I'm going to be taking this strap and circling that around the base of the ponytail extension. And you don't have to do this one super tight because it is not very heavy where the typical ponytail extensions are. And then once I have it all wrapped around, I'm just going to take a little bobby pin and pin that hair section just so it doesn't unravel. And to make sure that stays in place, I'm just going to continue to bobby pin around the ponytail so I feel like it's very secure and not going to be moving off my head or anything. So just use as many bobby pins as you feel like you need to keep it secure on your head. So this is the finished hair look using the insert name here Kourtney extension set. I love how it turned out. It's giving me very 60s vibes. I feel like that was the 60s anyway, or was it the 70s? Pretty sure it was the 60s when they wore their hair like this. Just really has some nice volume, and I love how bouncy it is. It just kind of gives that cottagecore feel too. Like it makes me want to throw a dress on with some cute cowboy boots. I mean, obviously you can wear your hair like this with whatever you're wearing and it'll be cute, but that's just kind of the vibes I'm getting from this hair look. And I actually used to wear my hair like this a lot back in the day, but it's been a while. I kind of forgot about it. So I was really excited to try out this extension set. I just think it's so fun and different because you don't really see girls wearing their hair like this. Or maybe I'm just living under a rock, I don't know. But I feel like I haven't seen this hairstyle in a while, and it's always a good one. You can't go wrong. And if you have any further questions about this hair that I didn't get to in this video, just leave a comment down below and I will be sure to answer any questions that you may have. And if you would like to get the Kourtney set for yourself, or you just want to browse the other extension sets from insert name here, I do have a discount code, so I'll leave that here on the screen for you if you're interested to save yourself a little bit of money, because I talk about insert name here all the time because I genuinely love their hair pieces. I wear them all the time. If you watch any of my other vlogs or anything, you know I'm always wearing extensions, and it's usually from the brand insert name here. So I do hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial and that it was easy for you to follow along if you wish to create this half up, half down look for yourself using the insert name here Kourtney extension pieces. And if you did like this video, you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below, and you can even hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, and that will notify you every time a video of mine gets uploaded here on YouTube. So I love you, and I will see you in my next video.